Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. Well, this week, as you can see, we are our own inspiration. So we got a request from a community member, and her name is Christine, and she writes to us. Hi Miss Planet. Hi Christine. I have searched far and wide for a tutorial on faux flower arrangements for an Eiffel Tower vase. My problem is I don't want you to be able to see the foam that's holding it into the vase. I don't want it to be visible. Please help. Thanks, Christine. Well, Christine, no worries. We have it all figured out for you. So this week, we're gonna solve that problem for Christine with our Periwinkle Tall Eiffel Tower Wedding Centerpiece. Okay, guys, you ready? Let's get to it. So we're going to be using a 20-inch Eiffel Tower vase as well as a 2-inch styrofoam ball. Now I know this ball looks super small, but you will be amazed on how you can use it and how sturdy it is going to be for our base. First, we're going to make an indentation into our ball with the rim of our Eiffel Tower vase. Once we have that done, we're going to actually apply our hot glue in that indentation, or that I call it, I don't know, pattern, and we're going to put our hot glue right in there, put our Eiffel Tower right back on top, filling in the grooves, giving it about, I don't know, 20 to 30 seconds to set up before we attach our flowers. Well, Christine, how did we do? It is absolutely stunning. I love that pop of periwinkle color and how it kind of cascades over the vase. It's just absolutely beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. Now, as long as you're using this centerpiece indoors, you won't have any issues with it being balanced on your table. If you're going to use it outdoors, I would strongly suggest you do some sort of filler inside the vase to give it that extra stability. Just a little word of caution. Well guys, if you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted. And if you have a question or a comment, please leave it right down below in the comment section. I, Miss Planet, answer all comments, and if it takes me a little longer to get to it, please give me some grace, but we have a fantastic DIY community that will be more than happy to help you. In addition to that, if you want to hang out with us some more, head on over to our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and don't forget Pinterest. In addition to that, if you have not signed up for your Rakuten account, what are you waiting for? They pay you to shop. Super simple. Head down to the description, click on the Rakuten link, Sign up for your account when you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month for your shopping efforts. So get on that Rakuten link. Well guys, our time has come to an end. It always goes by so fast, but before we go, I want to remind you that all of the links to the supplies as well as project cost are always in the description right below the video. Just click on the button that says show more, and all of that information is there for your convenience and ease. You can also head on over to our website, MissPlanet.com, where we have more cost-saving tips as well as picture and written instructions for most of our videos. That is also where you can submit a project request by simply clicking on the project request tab, filling the simple instructions, and sending it off to us. I would suggest you do it sooner than later because our production schedule is already starting to fill up for 2024, which just blows my mind. I hate to tell anybody no, so please sign up as soon as possible and I will let you know if we can help you out. Well, it was so great spending time with you. I know you have so many options on YouTube and I so appreciate you hanging out with me. And until next time, please always remember, when every penny counts, you can count on this planet. Please take care of yourself. We will see you soon. God bless.